Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to negative sine x dx. Because we don't have negative side, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. So if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative sign on the power. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of e to the power of au. We have e to the power of au over a, and I will put about c. So this one negative, that is about negative number 1. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative u over negative number 1, and I will put about c. Negative, negative, we simplify. About u, that is about cosine x. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to cosine x dx. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by the u. So if you want to put this one on numerator, we have e to the power of negative u. And this one applies same formula. And we have negative e to the power of negative u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.